ladies and gentlemen, it's me again. And today I'm gonna show you my Bulk mansion. Now, it's a mansion, but when I entered it, the whole entire place was blank. But I left some signs what the rooms were. And I just decided, why not redecorate it? Okay, I'm gonna show you the front gate in 3, 2, 1, start! Here is my front gate. Here's the sign. Okay, so here's my pretty walkway. Oh, those are the rotors of my helicopter. Yeah, I have a helicopter. There it is. Big Bull. I call him Big Ben. What if I also build this guy? Big Ben, a giant drill. I'm just gonna make a freeze and fly straight to the front gate. And I made it. You see this whole big palm tree and a fountain, which is really cool. Oops, broke some polish inside. Yeah, no biggie. Inside this barrel, there's an instructions book. I mean, a welcome book and a book in quote. There are words as far as the deck. Oh, you can see the living room even from here. The place is lit up by conduits. Here's the staircase, and I also have a nice place to hide. Here. Here is my cool living room. Look, you got like the huge couch. Oops. I broke the fish aquarium. Sorry. You got like the speakers, the TV, the little coffee table. I put also a rainbow carpet, a huge aquarium, some pool sticks because there's a pool table. These chairs I made it by myself. That's the result table of the pool. Of the pool game. Here's a pool table. And here is our fireplace with the chairs. And I decided add hanging lantern, but I said to myself, nah bro, that's not gonna be modern. So I don't know, fence chandelier. Oh. Okay. Now follow me. Down here is the garage. I'm not gonna show you the garage. I'm just gonna freeze into the next room. Behind me is the room. Here is the study area. And I also put a librarian. And a lectern with a book. Look, welcome to the study area. You can sit down and read the books or study on the computers. If you want to take a book, give it to the librarian. Sorry, I don't know how to write librarian. And take it. Thank you, Mr. Librarian. No books say. Yeah, it's kind of naturey inside. Here is the huge gym. Look, we got huge hand. We got dumbbell. Here we got a little table where you can do push-ups on it. We got free treadmills. We got a heavy thing over here. And a punching bag. Oh, those are for the next room. The whole theater. And you might wonder why the top is a different texture. It's because of the bathroom. Sorry. Really sorry. Okay, here is the lift. And here's the room which I call home theater. Oh, and that's Steven, by the way. I use him to record. Okay, Steven, 3, 2, 1, and action! Yeah. Yeah, continue like that. Got it. Yeah, good dodging. Good dodging, bro. And cut! Here is the computer where I can edit. And here we got a huge TV screen with a DVD player and a light. And some lights which I added by myself. Sorry. And those are the beacons that you saw from the gym. Okay. I'm just gonna time freeze and go to the next corridor. So in here is my kitchen. And I also added like a nice dining table. A big double fridge. Mr. Fridge. What's in the menu today? Nothing! Potion of leaping? Really? I don't want to leap high. Before there was a honey bottle somewhere. I will spend time looking for it. I just put it somewhere. That's my problem. That's some of my problems. So, through this corridor is a room which I call the snug room, but I turned it into girl's bedroom. Look at this cute girl's bedroom. It's got 4 pink beds and a nice little kitty face made out of 16 smooth quartz stairs. There's one also in my bedroom upstairs, but out of spruce stairs. And here are more books. It's now the second study area. Up here is my looking out fountain area. There's also balconies, but I don't want to get rid of your time. Look, here's only some trees, and we're done. Now it's time to go upstairs. There isn't much upstairs, but there's also a garden. And I'll give you a tour. Hey, I love flowers. If you like flowers, leave a subscribe. If you don't, leave a like. Of course, you're gonna subscribe. Everybody loves flowers, except everyone that are allergic to flowers. Okay, now it's time to go upstairs. Here's just a lounge couch. Now through this door here is my bedroom. Sorry. And here is my bedroom. Also added a computer. There's a balcony. Oh, I left my closet open. Here is all the armor. Leather is for pathetic. Chain is for a little bit stronger. Netherite is for the strongest. Iron is for normal. Gold is for stronger. Diamond is for more stronger. And I told you that netherite is for the strongest. And here is again the little cat that I made. Don't tell me he doesn't look cute. Wait, tell me. He does. Now I'll just take you to the bathroom. I know you saw that strange texture from the gym because of these rooms. Here's my bathtub. I added 2 showers and a sink. Sorry to say that. What a cool looking mirror! It's a mirror banner. I dyed it in one of the rooms. Sorry. Okay, I'm just gonna time freeze and go to the kitchen, because there is a part of one of the gardens. Actually, I'm gonna show you the garage. Sorry, my brother is absolutely furious. And down here is the garage, which has nothing in it but this. A big honey block, a driveway, and a sports car, which I made by myself, of course. Because I'm the only one in this castle. I'm just gonna time freeze and go to the garden. So I finally made it to the garden. And here's the garden. Look at how many flowers and leaves. Mostly I added lilacs. Wait a second. Okay? Sorry. My brother just needed a wet towel for our mouse pad. He's upstairs playing on the computer. PvP. Okay? Wait, there's also a little balcony. I'm just gonna time freeze again. And time freeze! Done. We're back. This is the little garden that I want. This is the little balcony that I want to show you. So here we got a pool. What a bar. I'm not gonna show you the bar. I only have 15 minutes to record. Up here there's a sitting area. Look at this nice thing here. There is also some campfires. And there's also smoke. That's not possible, but campfires again. Okay, and this was the entire mansion. Bye, guys. See you again in the next recording. And cut.